how to make wallpaper using Wallpaper Maker on PicsArt. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make wallpaper using Wallpaper Maker on PicsArt. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and on the search bar type PicsArt.com to enter the official website of PicsArt. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. On this home page, you will see a magnifying glass that resembles search icon just ahead of your profile picture. Click on it and you will be directed to this page where at the top you will find different designing tools. Hover your cursor to that design option and below you will see all the maker's template. From here, select Wallpaper Maker, which is just below Gift Certificate Maker under Marketing. When you click on it, you will be taken to a new page. Here at the bottom left, you will find a Create a Wallpaper option. Click on it to enter the editing space. Once you reach the editing space, here at the left side, you will find their wallpaper. Scroll down and select the one that catches your eye. Once you find the wallpaper that catches your eye, double click on the wallpaper to bring it to your canvas. Now from here you can edit your wallpaper further. By clicking on that elements located at the right side, you can customize it as per your preference. So in this way you can make wallpaper using Wallpaper Maker on PicsArt. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.